Installing an SXM5 PCIe switchboard. Hold the SXM5 PCIe switchboard at the touch points and align it with the 5 guide pins on the front drive tray. Then, lower the SXM5 PCIe switchboard into the front drive tray. Push the SXM5 PCIe switchboard toward the interposer card to connect it to the interposer card. Press down the rubber mount on the SXM5 PCIe switchboard handle so that the rubber mount is located underneath the front drive tray handle. Insert the 2 retention clips on the SXM5 PCIe switchboard handle into the slots on the interposer card. Rotate the SXM5 PCIe switchboard handle toward the center of the server and press it down to lock the SXM5 PCIe switchboard in place. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the SXM5 PCIe switchboard to the front drive tray. Reconnect the cables to the SXM5 PCIe switchboard. Install the top cover.